In episode 5, we'll continue our way north, leaving Punta Gorda behind. I recall in September of 2022, the area around Punta Gorda was devastated by Hurricane Ian and suffered a direct hit with tremendous damage from this powerful storm. Many of these areas are low-lying with little drainage available. Punta Gorda is slowly making a comeback, now 7 months after the devastating hurricane. The hotel manager at the hotel I stayed at recommended visiting a local beach known as Blind Pass Beach. We'll make a stop through there, and then we'll eventually make our way to continue north. The goal today is to get as far as reasonably possible, but there is a big challenge getting through and around Tampa. I really want to try to avoid the downtown area, and therefore have decided to skirt the Tampa Bay area to the east and continue on Interstate 75 until just north of Tampa Bay. After that, I'll make a turn west and head for the coast. During lunch, looking at the map, I made the spontaneous decision to go to Crystal River. Turns out Crystal River is a beautiful area on Florida's west coast that is best known for its colony of manatees. I ended up staying at the Best Western Hotel, which had a wonderful seafood restaurant located just next door by the name of Crackers. Lots of fresh seafood specials and live music out on the back deck. This location ended up being one of the highlights of my trip. This video will encompass 2 days. The first day traveling from Punta Gorda to Crystal River, and the second day exploring Crystal River and flying my drone over some of the beautiful areas. Finally, I'm keeping an eye on the weather in the Florida Panhandle region. My foot has me reconsidering my future itinerary. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's go. stop on the interstate. I went to mount the bike as usual with my left foot on the left peg, and then swing my right foot over the top case to mount the bike. With the top case, it's a little bit of a stretch. As I was getting back on the bike, I felt a very loud pop on the outside of my left foot as I was pivoting to get on the bike. Despite wearing my heavy Forma adventure boots, this was extremely painful, and I had to get off the bike and recuperate for about 5 minutes. After that, I found I could put very little pressure and weight on my left foot, and it was fairly painful. This made me rethink my distance goals for the day and to try to find some place where I could rest and recuperate my foot for a while off the bike. Getting off Interstate 75 and injuring my foot, the journey west was pretty uninteresting and also headed north on Highway 19. There was a lot of stop-and-go traffic, which was fairly painful with the situation with my foot. Arriving at the hotel at approximately 5 o'clock in the evening.
How I do that is really handle the work away from my left